Greetings, my name is Daniel Tal, and I'm hoping that you're having a wonderful day. I rely a lot on components, custom components, 3D warehouse components, pre-made components to create all the type of visual graphics that we do at our architectural and urban design studio. These can be down to the sculptures, the food trucks, literally cornhole when it comes down to it, and trying to create all these different sequences and images requires an investment of time into building a component library. So I'm going to spend this video and probably another one talking about how to create your own component library, not necessarily just rely on the 3D warehouse to accomplish that. And in this case, it also includes the fact that we rely heavily on buildings that are pre-made and everything else. So we're going to go explore that in just about 1 second here, and I'm going to start. I rely on a large source of components that I've built over several years. Here's just scrolling through it as an image search or as a SketchUp model search on Windows. I can just scroll down, you can see where it is. And I have every type of component that you want to have someplace available on here. And I have 3 locations that I've gotten my components from. Either stuff that we've made or downloaded or found from vendors over the years. These are all of these, and these include, like, we have some models in here that we just capture from. Form fonts, which I'll talk about in a separate video, and the one that I'm going to focus on here is the 3D warehouse components. I love these components. These used to be part of SketchUp back in the day. If you're interested in downloading them, look at the link below. It's available for anybody to use. I love these. I have 3D trees in here. I think I moved the plant materials out actually because I use them so often. Yep, there's the plant materials. I have 3D trees. I even have some custom ones that I've gone and found. And the ones that I love using a ton is these 2D ones or even 2D plan trees. That's not the only thing in here. Again, there's architecture, so I have doors and windows, to say the least, or HVACs or whatever else that's necessary. I'm highly reliant on this. I've been using this particular component library for years, and again, download it below and you can use it as well. So that's the end of this particular video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about 2 other locations that I get high quality components from. I hope you have a continued good rest of your day. Thank you very much.